Welcome to another video. In this problem, the question says we should factorize completely. So we have different methods of solving this. So one of it is algebraic expression method, and the one I'm going to use today is factorize quadratic formula method. So by rearranging this, we have x squared minus 7x minus y raised to power of 2 plus 9y minus 8. So just the rearrangement. So we make sure that x is the real variable we are dealing with here. So y is the constant. And if you consider this quadratic expression, ax squared plus bx plus c, so whereby the coefficient of this x squared is a, and which is 1. So y for the b is -1, and the c is the entire of y, which is the constant of this. So we have -y squared plus 9y minus 8. So the quadratic equations, the formula says x is negative b plus or minus the root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So since I'm dealing with x as the variable, so I'm going to, that's why I use x here. If it is y, so you're going to use y first. So by plugging all this value, we have x equals to 7. So now multiply minus with this -7, that is 7. Then we have -7 square minus 4. A is 1, and the y is -y square plus 9y minus 8, all bracket, then divided by 2 into bracket of 1. So let's evaluate this. We have 7 plus or minus the root of 7 square is 49, and if you open this with 4, -4, so here the first one is plus 4y square, and followed by -36y, while the last one is plus 32. So don't forget the negative at the outside. Then we have divided by 2. So the next thing is x equals to 7 plus or minus the root of, so if we do the rearrangement, so 4y square will start, then followed by -3y, and 49 plus 32, that is 81, and all divided by 2. Then x equals to so 7 plus or minus the root of, if you try to factorize this, the result will be 2y minus 9 all raised to power of 2. So you can pause this video and expand this, so you get what you have above, then divided by 2. So this root and square, they cancel each other. Then we have x equals to 7 plus or minus 2y 2y minus 9 all divided by 2. So at this stage, we are going to distribute this based on the negative and the positive. So let's deal with positive first. So we have x equals to 7 plus 2y minus 9 divided by 2, and x equals to so we have 2y minus 2 here. So 7 minus 9 is -2 divided by 2. And if you factorize out 2, we are going to have x equals to y minus 1. And by taking y minus 1 to the left hand side, so we have x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. So we start this as the first one as far as the positive is concerned. So let's check the negative side as well. We have for the negative, so we have x equals to 7 negative, so we bracket it because it will affect everything in the bracket. So we have this divided by 2. Then x equals to, so by opening the bracket, we have minus 2y plus 9 divided by 2. So x equals to 7 plus 9 here is going to be 16 minus 2y divided by 2. So x here equals to, by factorizing again, so we have 8 minus y, and taking 8 minus y to this side, x minus let's say plus y minus 8 equal to 0. And so since both of them equals to 0, so then we can combine these two as well, as x minus y plus 1 bracket x plus y minus 8. And here is a complete factorization of this problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget how I take these steps. But if you have another way of doing this, you can drop it in the comment box. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Never stop learning.